various dimensions now of this. First thing, the Lord has appeared as Vishnu. It is his love. Krishna has no need to come to this world. So spiritual life is nothing but trying to understand Krishna's love. Anna? And great acharyas, their activity is always full of only love and compassion. For us, an activity is dealt by our own desire, that is lust. We are all lusty. Bhukti, mukti, siddhi, kami, sakale, ashanta. भुक्ति, कुछ लोग को इंद्रिय भोग चाहिए, कुछ लोग को मोक्ष चाहिए, कुछ लोग को सिद्धि चाहिए. प्रभुपाद जी बोल रहे हैं तीनों लोग आर लस्टी, ऑल द थ्री आर लस्टी. कुछ चाहिए इनको, ये भक्त लोग नहीं है. सकले अशांत. सो जब भी हमारा दिल में, हम इन आवर हार्ट, whenever desire for sense gratification comes, we lose peace of mind. Ashanta. There has to be a reason, no? Man disturbed. Kyo? You want bhukti, you want sense gratification. Sense gratification is two ways. We can further divide. Either gross or subtle. Gross sense gratification क्या होता है? Physical pleasures. Eating, sleeping, mating, defending. And subtle, mana, puja, pratishtha. All are sense gratification. This is bhukti. Mukti, they want moksha from this world. Siddhi, they want some powers so they can declare themselves as God and be worshipped by society. So all the तीनों लोग हैं, ये गलत लोग हैं, ये कभी शांत नहीं हो सकते. करेक्ट? बिकॉज इनको कुछ चाहिए. किसी को इंद्रिय भोग चाहिए, किसी को मोक्ष चाहिए, किसी को सिद्धि चाहिए. They want something. They want something they want from this world. But devotee does not want anything. Krishna Bhakta Nishkam. So you cannot say I am a devotee and I have a desire. You cannot say that. It's contradiction. It's contradiction. You say I want something, you are not a devotee then. Then you are not a devotee. Correct? Strict definition. Devotee does not want anything. Krishna Bhakta Nishkam. It does not want anything. That is devotee. I just want my Lord to be happy, that's all. On his own, he doesn't have any demand. Krishna Bhakta Nishkam. Ateva Shanta. Is always peaceful. Because he comes to this platform, always wanting. So we have to see in our system, there is a desire for sense gratification. Oh, not auspicious. Now Ashanta. Krishna Bahirmukha Jiva Bhogavancha Kare. Now Maya will catch me. Bhayam Dviti Anuveti Sadh. Not only Maya can catch me, a fearful condition of life is now going to come for me. Why? Because I want something. Okay? That is this world. But Krishna is pure. Even in the spiritual world, Krishna is showing Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. Why the Gada and Chakra? Just don't worry. You just dance and enjoy. I am there to protect you. There is no need of Gada and Chakra in the spiritual world. No demons can enter there. Jaya Vijaya is standing at the door. But still, Krishna, don't worry. Just enjoy. Hana? In the sense, no need to have any fear here. So here also in your heart, Krishna is standing, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, holding Gada and Chakra, protecting you. But still, it's not our position. We do not want. Those who have realized the Paramatma, therefore they are protected. The Paramatma is always there for them. So Krishna is very kindly, mercifully coming to Devaki and Vasudeva to give them reassurance, to give them protection. He is coming. That is his mood. So in that same way, every moment, actually Krishna's Leela is going on for every devotee. Just like we can all write one Mahabharata for all of us. It's going on. True, to the degree we are surrendered. Like Pandavas, Krishna was fully present. We are not fully present, but we can feel the presence of the Lord in our life. It is true. Even we are 0.00001% non-devotee. Hardly a devotee. Still Krishna is present. Personally present. Otherwise also is present, like Paramatma. That also is mercy of Krishna. For everybody is mercy, but special mercy, attention a devotee is getting. And to the degree he is sincere, more and more he feels involvement of the Lord in his life. First link, he can see the subtle. Mata smriti jnanam apohanam cha. Krishna gives some inspiration to like this. This is not correct. We can see it in the heart, it is coming. True, correct or not? Mata smriti jnanam apohanam cha. And then grossly, so many things are happening in my life. I'm hardly in any control of this thing. I said this, that person said this. We think, oh, I could not control. No, Krishna is in total control. Total control of the situation. Without his vision will, nothing happens. Isn't it? He's in total control of the situation. So Krishna is present by his mercy, and we can see his mercy in our life. If we are introspective and we are keen to advance the spiritual life, why we cannot see Krishna's presence in our life? Because our objective is different and Krishna's objective is different. हमको क्यों नहीं समझ आता कृष्ण का हमारा जीवन में योगदान? बिकॉज हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव कुछ और है, भगवत धाम जाना नहीं है, और कृष्ण का ऑब्जेक्टिव तो एक ही है, आपको भगवत धाम ले जाना। तो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन हो गया, तो समझ ही नहीं आता है तो क्या हो रहा है, अरे ऐसा क्यों हो गया? क्योंकि हम लोग का डायरेक्शन ही अलग है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि भगवान ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं। जैसे आपको गाड़ी में कहीं और जाना हो, गाड़ी कहीं और जा रही है, ये क्या हो रहा है? लेकिन क्योंकि आपका लक्ष्य अलग है तो आपको तो गलत दिखता है, समझ नहीं आता क्यों। तो ऐसा नहीं है, कृष्ण का लक्ष्य बहुत क्लियर है। क्या कृष्ण का लक्ष्य? टेक यू बैक टू द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड। In that, if our objective is very clear, I want to go to the spiritual world, then there is no problem. We can see every moment Krishna's mercy in that. He is totally actively participating in that venture, joint venture. ब्रह्मांड भ्रमित कौन भाग्यवान जीव, गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्ति लता बीज. Krishna is very mercifully taking charge of our life and taking us back to the spiritual world. Every moment we can see his mercy in that way. He is planning. ठीक है ना, ऐसा प्लान चल रहा है कृष्ण का, क्या करने का है। और भक्त जो भक्त बन रहा है, जो सीरियस है, उसको दिख रहा है भगवान का लीला चल रहा है अपना जीवन में भी। And he can see Krishna is present. Individually also, collectively also, we call it in ISKCON Yatra, one team of devotees. There also Krishna is involved as a Yatra. Correct? He is the leader of the Yatra, he is the leader of every individual. Just like Arjuna ke liye Krishna was driving the chariot, Krishna is driving our chariot also. For everybody is driving. But the chariot is moving at the speed that we are sincere. If you are very sincere, chariot is quickly moving towards spiritual world. So that is Krishna's mercy. So Vasudeva Devaki can see Krishna's mercy has come as Narayana. But then now they are worried. It's like, will we people be able to take? One thing they are worried, previously mentioned, was they wanted to hide Krishna somewhere. Because they knew Kamsa will come to kill. He has already done, why not kill him again? 6 baar he has done. You know what kind of Daitya he is. He doesn't care, he'll come to kill. And because they have affection for the Lord, they are worried. They're feeling maybe he can do some harm. Otherwise, if you're feeling you cannot protect, तो क्या वो भाव ही नहीं आएगा, है ना। माता पिताजी का भाव होता है बच्चे का सुरक्षा करना, अगर सुरक्षा ही नहीं है तो फिर वो तो भाव ही नहीं रहेगा। तो they feel like that I have to protect the child. That is their anxiety. So, and the second thing is that they are also feeling maybe people will not be able to appreciate his presence. And why people cannot handle his glory. So better hide. So even Yogamaya hides Krishna. Naham prakash sarvasya Yogamaya samavirtaha. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, I am hidden by my Yogamaya. So Yogamaya was, Krishna is so sweet. The Yogamaya hides him. Because people will take advantage of Krishna in the mode of protection. Similarly, here is the Lord is being hidden by Devaki wants to hide Krishna for his protection, for people cannot understand his sweet, beautiful nature. That is a motherly behavior. She wants to protect him. So in this way, this chapter is very nicely developing now. And eventually now what is going to happen? Krishna will take the form of a small child, and then Vasudeva will take him and hide him in Mathura. Srila Prabhupada.